design of leg angle. Okay. How to design the leg angle? Anybody can say that? What is the procedure? What is the procedure? If you want to design any member, you have to calculate the load. How much load is coming to the particular section. Okay, that only we have to calculate. Then only we can able to calculate the design of particular member. Okay, here also what we are going to do. So first of all, how much load is coming to the leg angle, we need to be calculated. So for that, proportionate method they are adopting. Okay, the proportionate method they are adopting. If total load is how much, this much load is coming, and the area of connected leg this much, area of outstanding leg is this much, and how much load will be transferred to the leg angle. Okay, in that proportion we are going to calculate how much load is coming to the leg angle. Okay, first of all we shall calculate how much load is coming to the leg angle, then the remaining process will be the same. The load if you calculated, so then we have to calculate the gross area. Then based on the gross area you have to select some section. If you selected some section, right, if you selected the section, then you have to check the yielding capacity, then you have to check the rupture capacity, as well as you have to calculate the number of bolt is required. Then finally, then you have to provide this much number of bolt, and this section can be adopted. Okay, so check must be satisfied according to the load. Okay, so this is a concept. This is a concept we are going to design a leg angle, right? So let us quickly do that. So gross area of connected leg of main angle. Please make a note of it. First of all, we have to calculate. Please write gross area of connected leg. So please tell me what is a connected leg here. So this length, okay, this leg will be the connected leg. This leg will be the connected leg, and this leg will be the outstanding leg. So what is the area of the connected leg? So it is 150 minus thickness need to be reduced. Okay, so that is 10 by 2 connected leg of main angle. Connected leg of main okay, main leg 150 into, calculate and tell me. How much? Please calculate the area and tell me. How much? $1,859. Anybody having any other values? $1,850. 145. 150 minus 5 into 10. So that is 145 into 10. That is 1450 mm square. Okay. Then a gross area of outstanding leg. So please calculate next one. Difficult. Gross area of outstanding leg. So already we have calculated the connected leg. Now we are calculating the outstanding leg. Leg main angle. Okay. So outstanding leg, what is the dimension? So it is 75 mm. Okay. So 75 minus half of the thickness, 10 by 2 into 10. Okay. So what is the angle gross area outstanding leg? 7,700, right? 700 mm. Now, load shared by outstanding main angle. Load shared by outstanding. Please mute yourself. Please mute. So total 450 kilonewton is coming. Okay. Total area how much? Please tell me what is the total area? Total area how much? Total area is equal to 1450 plus 700. That is equal to how much?
Two 2150, sir.
2150, sir.
Right? If total area
Yes, sir.
2150, simple concept. Okay. If 2150, 450 kilonewton need to be shared. Okay. For 700 kilonewton, how much need to be shared? For 700, how much need to be shared? Please cross multiply and tell me. So by the way of proportionate calculation, okay, area proportionate, we are doing this method only. Okay. So total load is shared by angle is 450 kilonewton. For total area, how much? 2150 mm square. For this much area, Okay, this much angle is there. Okay, for total area, this much load is shared. For 700, only the outstanding leg. How much load will become only on the outstanding leg? Okay, based on the area, we are proportionately we are calculating. Okay, cross multiply and tell me what is the x load shared by outstanding. main angle.
146.511.
How much?
146.511.
It's very good. 146.511. Design load for leg angle. Next one, please write down. So I will write here. So what is that? 146.5 kilonewton. Right. So next one. Design load for leg angle. Design load for leg angle. How to calculate the design load for leg angle? So 146.5 kilonewton is coming for outstanding leg. So we are multiplying with 1.20% we are adding. Okay, 20% we are adding multiplication of 146.5 kilonewton. Okay, now you tell me 1.2 multiplication of 146.5 kilonewton, how much? So factor
175.813.
170.8 kilonewton, right? So factor of
175.8.
20% we are added. Okay, nothing more than that. Now, based on the design for leg angle is 175.8 kilonewton. Now, required area we are going to calculate. Okay, so required area for leg angle. For leg angle. How to calculate? So based on the normal procedure, please calculate. You take the rupture capacity formula. Based on the rupture capacity formula. So what formula we are using? TDN is equal to 0.9 AN, right? FU divided by gamma M1. Right, this formula only we are using. Now AN is equal to TDN gamma M1 divided by 0.9 FU. Okay, so TDN how much now? How much we calculated? 175.8, right? So this much load only we are going to design. Okay, into 10 raised to 3 into gamma M1 how much? 1.25 divided by 0.9 into FU 410. Okay, how much AN required? Please calculate and tell me.
.595, sir.
0.9595. How it is from 0.595?
595, sir.
596.2. Sir, 596.2, sir.
Okay, 596.2 mm square. This much area we need to provide. Okay. So now I am going to select one section based on this area. So AN we have calculated. Okay, multiply with the, what is that? 1.25 gross area. AG gross area is equal to 1.25 times of AN 596.2. So what is A gross? Time is running.
714.
We could not accommodate the problem.
714.63.
714.63. Okay. 714.63 mm square. Okay. Next one. Select some section. Selection of section. Section based on the 714.63. Okay. So I am going to select the same section. So ISA. So what section we shall select? So any section we can select.
744, sir.
744, no issue. Change it.
744.4.
144.4. Okay. So you select one section. Okay. Already we have ISA 150 and 75 we are using. So similarly, the same type of section you can select. ISA 150 by cross 75 by 8. Okay. So that section I am going to select. That is the area is 1742. Okay. So little higher section only I am selecting. Right. Select one section, that is ISA, right? 150 cross 75. Already 150 by cross 75 we are using. So instead of 10, I am selecting only 8. Okay. So this ISA selecting for leg angle. Okay. Okay. Area, gross area is equal to, what is that? A gross. A gross will be how much? You see that IS table 75 by 8, 1742 is given as 1742. 1742 mm square is greater than required 744.4 mm square. Little higher section I am selecting. Okay, instead of matching 150 by 75, already 150 by 75 is there for main angle. So in order to match the same thing, so I am also selecting 150 by 75. Is it okay? Now already it is over. Yielding capacity, you have to check for yielding capacity. So 3 more steps you do it. Okay, in your home, check for yielding capacity, and check for rupture capacity, and number of bolt is required as usual, normal practice. Check for yielding capacity. The remaining steps. Okay, check for rupture capacity. Okay, you do that. Finally, you have to calculate the number of bolt is required. So 3 steps are remaining. Number of bolt is required. So these 3 steps you have to calculate. So let us quickly do that. So how to calculate the yielding capacity? Check for yielding capacity. What formula will use? TDN, TDG. TDG. Please wait. Another next class is 12:10 only, right? Please wait 1 or 2 minutes. So we have wasted a lot of time. So what is the AG here? What is the gross area we have provided? 17. What is the gross area? 1742, right? (1742) multiplication of AGFI value 250. 250 divided by gamma m naught 1.1. Tell me the answer. What is the answer? (1742) multiplication of 250 divided by 1.1. So what is the answer? So this is the yielding capacity.
395.909
395.90
kilonewtons.
is greater than, what is the required value? 170. What is the factored value? Please tell me. You have calculated, right? Here 146 here. Okay, so 175.8. It is there 175.8. So it is greater than 170 175.8 kilonewton. Hence okay. Similarly, you have to calculate the rupture capacity, number of bolt is required. Okay. So another next class I will continue this one. Okay. So two more step is there. Please, possible if you have time, please do it in your home. Number of volt is required, then our problem will be end. Okay. So Tarun, please take the attendance and share it with me. Tarun. Jai Krishna. Is there?
Yes, sir.
Could you take the attendance?
Okay, sir. 1 minute. Wait, sir. 1 minute.
I have already taken, sir, for 51 students.
Already taken. Okay, okay. Tarun is there. Okay. So we shall meet in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. You can leave the meeting.